So Remotasks is a legit platform. It does pay out, as I showed in the previous videos of payment proof from Remotasks. But the only problem that I have with it is that I don't get enough tasks to actually start earning a bit of income that is understandable, right, from the platform, as they claim that you can make quite a lot of money from the platform themselves. So I've been able to complete about 4 courses so that I can be able to take their courses, their tasks, so that I can get paid. So basically what you do with this platform, you sign up using the link down below and then get like $5 bonus when you reach your first $10. So basically what I did is that I signed up with somebody else's link so I can get that $5 extra when I reach my $10. That's why I provide that link down below. Also, it's an affiliate link that you can use to get that $5 bonus. And then you take the exam. So I was able to complete successfully about 4 of these exams. But now I still don't have the chance to actually get started working so I can get paid. So I sent in an email in the previous videos, as I said in the previous videos. So I sent in an email, and then finally, about 2 weeks later, they finally responded with a response telling me the reason why maybe I might not be able to actually do this task, even though they say I'm qualified. So I'm just going to show you the response here, right here, what they said about it. So if I go to my task, as you can see, my task log is still empty. There's nothing there. So every time I log in, there's a screen that I see. There's nothing, no task for me to do. So if I can just show you previous payment proof, if for anybody who is new to this channel. So if you're new, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn notifications. Hit me up on Telegram. That's our channel that we can that you can get in touch with me, or leave a comment down below if you got any questions. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. We also have a Facebook group that is trying to grow, so it's not yet open. I'm still waiting for at least 10 people on the waiting list, then we can open and allow everybody in the group. So anyways, as you can see, if I come down to my home page and show you the previous earnings right here, so as you can see, current period, there's actually nothing. So if I go to old time, they literally pay me for taking some of these courses. So for literally taking these courses so I can qualify to get the task, they actually pay you quite a few cents. So it was quite amazing to be able to for me to actually verify that this platform is legit and it pays out. So that's the amount that they actually pay out to my PayPal. I actually have this. I showed you in previous videos. So it's nothing compared to what I should be able to earn with this platform. That's why I went in for the task and completed them. So as I said, this is the email that I sent them. So this is the email that I sent them, I think on the 7th of November, and then they responded like yesterday, 24th of November. So that's about 2 weeks ago that I sent in the email. So I was just letting them know that I completed like 4 courses, and I'm still not able to complete any tasks from their platform. So this was their response, and they gave me a screenshot telling me that I actually qualify for some of these that I took courses for. So as you can see, the email, it says there, I completed 4 tasks and successfully. So meaning when you see the congratulations page after you complete the task, you have successfully completed the task. So you should be able to see the task that you're able to get paid for. So their payment range, I don't know, I think it was like from $1 an hour or so. So it all depends on the type of task that you complete and how long you actually stay on the platform and do the thing. So as you can see right here, this is my dashboard. And then if you can just scroll up a little bit, this was the image that they sent me. It's like a screenshot. Just let me know that I actually qualify. So this is my email that I used to sign up for the account, right? So as you can see, permission group, level, task type, and so forth. So these are the tasks. I took courses in this task categories. So categorization and transcription. Transcription, this is the one that I recommend a lot of people to actually get started with because it pays out the most, according to what I've been able to see on the platform. It seems to pay the most out of all the other types of jobs that are there, except for the Libra type thing where you have to do images and image annotation and stuff like that. Those also pay very good. So if you can go through those courses, that would be a great opportunity for you. But as you can see, I actually qualify for all this. But then every time I log in, I don't see any of them. So I'm still trying to figure out what is the problem with my account, or whether I need to create another one. But I'm not sure with that. So if you have actually joined and successfully completed any of this task on Remotasks, let me know in the comments down below. I would really appreciate that. Or you can send a screenshot in the group on our Telegram group. As I said, I have a Telegram group with over about 78 members now. So it's a great group if you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrencies and how to earn them, and different ways of earning money as well online. So we also have a Facebook group. Facebook group is going to be mostly focused on bigger businesses. I'm talking about Amazon FBA, we're talking about social media marketing agencies, talking about forex trading and stuff like that. So things on a bigger note that you can actually create into a legit business that you can scale every time and wherever you want, right? So that's the type of business that we're going to be focusing on in the Facebook group. But otherwise, in the cryptocurrencies, as I said, the Telegram group, 3 ways of earning cryptocurrencies online. If you're up for that, you can use the link down below in the description and get started. So, anyways, this was just a quick update. Show you what is going on with Remotasks and why I've been not able to actually update you guys with my first big payment with the platform. So if you're still interested in checking it out and trying it out, I recommend that you do and complete as many tasks as you can on the platform before, so that maybe you can actually be able to see some of the tasks and then complete them. So yeah, if you got any questions, again, hit me up on Telegram, Facebook, or in the description down below on comments, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.